Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today's lesson is lesson number 6 in our Arabic Letters Academy. Today we will talk about these letters, which are sa, sha, sa, and da. We will start. First, we will work on the pronunciation, then we will work on the writing. First thing, the pronunciation. This is seen. This is the name of the letter, as we know. This is seen. And now I'm going to pronounce it with long and short vowels. Sa, sa. Sa, sa. Su, su. Su, su. Si, si. Si, si. And here are some examples of the letter seen. This is سيارة. 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 سيارة, which means a car. And then we have سوق. سوق. سوق, which means a market or a mall. Now let's work on the sheen. This is sheen, and now I will pronounce it with long and short vowels. We have sha, 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 shu, 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 she, she, she. Let's work on some examples now. We have the word shay. Shay. Shay, which means shy, as in tea. And then we have shajara. 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 Shajara, which means a tree. And then we have the letter صاد. This letter is a little bit heavier than our previous letter. Here we have, this letter is ص. We have ص. 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 صي. 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 Here are some examples. We have صحيفة. 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 And then we have صندوق. 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 صندوق, which means a box. And our next letter is ض. ض. And that's a heavier letter. This one is ض. We have ض. 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 ضو. ض. ضو. ضي. 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 And here are some examples. We have the word ضوء. 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 ضوء, which means lamp or light sometimes. Then we have ضابط. 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 Now we will work on the writing of all of these letters. We will work on writing the letters that we worked on today. So our first letter is seen, is like that. This is the isolated scene. Okay. Now, uh, when we write it, this is the, let's say here we have a fatha, we have sa. This is the scene in the beginning of a word. And then we have, this is seen in the middle of the word. And this one here, that's the end of the word. And like we said before, this scene here, that's the scene by itself. Okay? Mm? Now our next letter is sheen. So this is sheen, same shape, but we have 3 dots. And sometimes when you're writing it, you can write the dots like that. This means that those are 3 dots. Usually, handwriting, when we're writing something, like handwriting something, the dots are going to be written like that. 3 dots, like this little semi-triangle. Okay? Now, like we said, this is the sheen that we just wrote now. This is the isolated sheen, or the sheen by itself. This one here is the sheen in the beginning. This is the middle. And this is in the end if it was connected. Okay? Then we have the sheens before that we worked on that are in the that are isolated. Okay? Now we will work on the letter Sad. This is the Sa. This is the isolated Sa. This is the Sa by itself. And I think now I feel like now you know the pattern, and you can imagine how is the letters going to be written. But like we said, this is the Sa by itself. This is the initial Sa, the beginning, the Sa in the beginning. Then we have here in the middle. Then we have Sa in the end. This is, like we said, this is the isolated Sa. Okay? Now, this is or isolated Sa. This is Sa, beginning or the initial Sa. This is the middle. In the end. And all of them have 1 dot. Okay? Oh, and this is, like I said before, this is the Da by itself, or if it, or the isolated Da. Okay? Now we will practice writing some words with the letters that we learned so far, and probably we will mention some of the letters we worked on before. For example, we have these letters. Okay, So we have the sha, right? Have this letter, which is ja. Here, the we have a fatha in this case, in this word. Then we have a ra, right? We will, like we said before, we will go back and we will see where are the two-way connectors and which are the one-way connectors. So sha is a two-way connector, ja is a two-way connector, and ra is a one-way connector. So the sha is the initial sha, so you're going to write it like this and get the dots. And then the jim or the ja, that's the middle ja. What you're going to do is you're going to write like this. This is the middle ja. Then you're going to attach it to the ra here. And this word, and you will add the harakat, which is fatha or dhamma or all of that. In this case, it's shajar. This word is shajar, which means trees. Okay? So here's our first example. Let's work on a different example or on another example. We have the letter sa, then we have ba, then a, then we have ha. Okay? So we will look at the words, we will look at the letters, and we see that the sa is a two-way connector, the ba is a two-way connector, the a or alif is a one-way connector, and the ha is a two-way connector, which means that we will connect all of them, but the alif or the a will not be connected with what comes after it. With that being said, this is the initial sa. This is the ba, the middle ba. Okay, and here we are attaching it to the alif. Then we have sabah, sabah, sabah. And sabah means morning, okay? Sabah, and yes, sabah, it have one dot. Sabah, which means, like I said, it means morning. Let's work on one more, the word of the letter sha. Ba, then we have ha. Okay, we can look at those letters. All of these letters are two-way connectors. So the sha, we're gonna write the initial sha. Then the ba is going to be connected. Then we have the ha, which is the isolated ha. So it's going to be shabah. Shabah, which means a ghost. I know this might be an interesting word, but it was the best word that I can think of that have all of these letters. Now, let's work on one more example. So the next we have this word here. We have ha, okay, and we have ba. Then we have ya. We have other ha. So all of these are two-way connectors. Means that we are going to write the ha, the initial ha. Then we will bring the ba. This is the middle ba. Then the ya. That's also the middle ya. You can also write the dots like this. Then we have the end, the ba at the end. And this word here means habib, which means a beloved one. Okay? Habib. Okay? Habib. Habib. Also, I think Habib can be a name of a guy, but in Arabic also we can use Habib as a beloved person, someone you love. Okay. In this screen, I'm showing the way to write all of the letters that we just worked on in our writing portion of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I see you next time.